guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a ponytail tutorial, and this is featuring Beauty Forever Hair. If you guys aren't familiar with them, they are a wig hair seller. They have different bundle deals and stuff like that. They sent me over 2 bundles of 26-inch. It is their Brazilian straight hair, and the ponytail is relatively long. Please excuse me, I am getting sick. But if you guys have been keeping up with me, I didn't really post much for my birthday on here, but I did post on Instagram and Snapchat, and this is the hair that I've been wearing. So the hair has been perfectly fine. I have had no problems. Slight shedding, nothing crazy. Only time it gets like frizzy or anything is when I like sleep with it loose and I don't wrap it up or anything. So shipping with this company, it took, I can't remember, but it was definitely less than a week. So shipping was pretty fast. I got a bunch of packages all at once right before my birthday, and I can't really remember each certain day or whatever, but I got the hair pretty fast. And it's an honor to work with this company because this is, you know, the company I started off. This is the first company I got hair from on AliExpress back when I was in high school, and the hair was always nice. I used to get like 3 bundles for $1 something, so that wasn't a problem. Honestly, I'd say the quality is great, probably even better. That was so many years ago, probably like 3 or almost 4 now. So if you guys are interested in doing a ponytail similar, all you would need is 2 bundles. I wanted a sort of semi-thick ponytail, not super thick, so I got just 2. I was thinking about doing 3, but I'm glad I didn't because the ponytail is really full, and lengthwise it is definitely like, it's long on me, sis. I'm 5'3". It goes to like the bottom of my butt, so pretty long, but I wanted that for my birthday, and they definitely delivered with the quality, shipping, and all of that. So thank you guys, and also thank you guys for your patience because this video is long overdue. I just had to make sure I could get my hair done before my sister left out of town, because if I tried to do the ponytail myself, it probably wouldn't have been as cute. But yeah, so I did end up not filming the rest. My baby hairs, obviously, and my sister just wrapping the hair at the top of the ponytail, which I will talk about more in the voiceover. So if you guys want to see how I got this lovely sleek ponytail, then please keep watching. Okay, you guys, so Beauty Forever sent me some of their Brazilian straight hair. They sent me 2 bundles of 26-inch straight hair. And the bundles weren't super thin, so I was really satisfied about that. Just some quick disclaimers right off the bat. I know and I am aware that my hair is not the cleanest for this video. I didn't feel like, you know, washing my hair because I had just washed it for it to get braided. But, you know, just some flakes. I get dandruff really bad. But my hairstyle for my birthday was pretty rushed, so we just kind of jumped right in. So she is just starting off flat ironing my hair because the flatter it is, you know, the better the ponytail will be, the slicker the ponytail will be, and it'll be super cute. So she's just, you know, she sectioned my hair and flat ironed it, and that's really it. As of now, we're just gonna speed through this. I'm not gonna keep talking. And this is what my hair was looking like after. I was just being goofy, trying to flip it and stuff, knowing damn well it's very oily and stiff. But yeah, this is my hair after. So I'm going in with the First Touchdown Edge Tamer, and I use this a lot. Very great hold. I did a couple videos last year using this, and it has been my favorite, and I love that it's in local beauty supplies now, and it is only $3.99. So she's using that around my hairline to you know, keep it as slick as possible, and this helped a lot actually. I didn't have to gunk my hair up with a lot of gel and different stuff like that, so I was happy about that. So moving on, I'm using the wrapping paper, not wrapping paper, I forgot what it's called, but you know, people use it to like lay their edges and stuff. I've seen people use it for that. I'm not sure of the actual purpose, but I wanted to protect my braid, so we did this, but it didn't end up working out. Off camera, the bottom part did slide off, so it wasn't a good idea. We were following a tutorial, I forgot which YouTuber, but she's stupid. Yeah, it didn't end up working, so I don't advise doing this. Just end up getting, you know, the glue bond remover shampoo, you know, when you do wash your hair and take this whatever ponytail off. So basically she's just continuing to wrap it, and after it ended up sliding off, she just, you know, kept going, but had to unravel the hair. And just don't do this step. I don't even know why I'm putting it in the video, but I just want to let you guys not make the same mistake as me. So that is what she is doing, and she's just going to continue to wrap it all the way until the top. So I obviously didn't record my edges. I did those off camera, and I couldn't record the end. But basically, all you guys need to know is, you know, once you get all the hair you want wrapped around the ponytail, what she did is she took an extra, you know, strand of the hair, extra track, and she just wrapped it around the top to make it look, you know, like a wrapped invisible ponytail, and that was it. So for the way that we did the ponytail, it did last pretty long, and I did sleep on it a few times. I had it for about a week and a half, and and it didn't unravel or slide out or anything. So the hair was perfect, and it will be in the description if you guys are interested in recreating this. And I hope I helped in some way, and like always, I love you guys, and I will see you all in the next video.